So carpet got pulled out a few weeks ago. So this is a lot of progress here. Look at that, it's all out. Plumbing got ran. Sink on this side and sink on the inside for the washroom. Go check out the others. A little frame there for a bed to make a small little bedroom in here. Just gotta put the insulation up on top here. Something in the cavities. And here's where the plumbing was ran. And I'll show you downstairs. And that's where he came up through, in the closet of the bedroom for the plumbing upstairs in the attic. And I gotta run an electrical pipe right there too, right next to this bit, right next to this pipe. Gotta come up somehow to bring circuits up, fresh new circuits up to that washroom and upstairs area.